Good evening, friends. Tonight, I want to talk to you about the Smart Traders series. Smart Traders is an idea that was implemented in 7 episodes. And out of these 7, 3 of them managed to get an editor's pick from TradingView. And the last episode, which most of you have probably seen, is called the final episode. With the help of, meaning you use AI alongside geometry. And this doesn't just give you a strategy or an indicator, it gives you a tool. With this tool, you can build any strategy you want, any indicator you want. It's not hard at all, not complicated at all. The menu has a lot of variety because the ideas are diverse. In the next videos, I'll teach you very easily, very simply how to use it, how to implement your ideas, how to implement those things you've always had in mind that you were looking for but couldn't implement. You can do it here. You can combine RSI and MACD, view them with volume, with buy volume, with sell volume. Whatever you know, you can put together in here, see it as an indicator, and with one click, go from observe to backtest. There you can now, as they say, see the results of a strategy. Watch the next videos. You'll learn them one by one very easily and simply. It's not hard at all.